ABS Heavy Fabrication is certified to the highest standards, and our welders are fully trained on all industry standard welding apparatuses. Individual customer needs are met without exception and confirmed by our in-house Level 2 certified weld inspectors. Our investments in next-gen robotic welding enhance our fabrication offerings with savings in both time and money. Their consistently accurate results cut down on reworks and waste. They are capable of working 24/7, bringing higher productivity and throughput. And they can operate in conditions that might be hazardous to human operators. Our team is committed to producing an unparalleled level of quality and throughput, while also focusing on cost. To that end, our numerous secondary services make ABS a true single-source solution for the most challenging programs of today and for the future.